Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix low volume issue on your HUAWEI Pure 80 Pro.
Check 1. Check volume settings. Step 1. Press the volume up button on the side of your phone. Step 2. Make sure media volume is turned up, not just ringtone volume. Step 3. Go to Settings, Sounds, and Vibration, Volume, and increase all sliders. Fix 2. Turn off Do Not Disturb or Silent Mode. Step 1. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open Quick Settings. Step 2. Check if Do Not Disturb or Silent Mode is enabled. Step 3. Turn them off and test the sound again. Fix 3. Clean the speaker area. Step 1. Inspect the bottom speaker grill and earpiece for dust or debris. Step 2. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clean it gently. Step 3. Avoid using sharp objects that could damage the speaker mesh. Fix 4. Disable Bluetooth audio output. Step 1. Swipe down and turn off Bluetooth. Step 2. Sometimes sound plays through a connected Bluetooth device instead of the phone speaker. Step 3. Once disconnected, test the phone speaker again. Fix 5. Reset sound settings. Step 1. Go to Settings, System and Updates. You reset all settings. Step 2. Confirm the reset. Don't worry, your data won't be deleted. Step 3. Test the sound again after reset.